Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to simplify these two exponential expressions. For number 1, open and close parenthesis, 2x raised to 0, y raised to negative 3, raised to the third power. For number 2, 2x raised to negative 2, y raised to negative 3, divided by 6x raised to 0, y raised to negative 2. So the simplified form of exponential expressions should have no zero exponents and negative exponents. So in these expressions, we have zero and negative exponents. So how are we going to simplify these two exponential expressions? Okay, so let's start for number 1 expression, 2x raised to 0, y raised to negative 3 raised to the third power. So we are going to simplify this one first by removing the close and open parentheses, distributing the outside exponent 3 here. So how? We are going to follow the law of exponents. If you have this one, a raised to m raised to n, all you have to do is copy the base m or a rather and then multiply the two exponents. So here we have the 2x and y as the variable and numerical coefficient. So all you have to do is distribute the exponent 3 here. So first, 2. The exponent of 2 inside the parenthesis is 1. So we multiply it by the outside exponent which is 3. So that will become 1 times 3. Okay? And then for x, we have exponent here, 0, then multiply to the outside exponent 3. So that will become 0 times 3 for x. And then for y, we have negative 3 times 3 here. Okay? Then simplify for 2. What is 1 times 3? That will become 3. And then for x, 0 times 3, that is equal to 0. And then for y, what is negative 3 times 3? That is equal to negative 9. Okay, so we remove already the close and open parentheses. Now, we're going to simplify this 0 and negative exponent and also this number raised to the third power. Okay? So what is 2 raised to the third power? That is equal to 8. And we have this one, x raised to 0. If a number is raised to 0, we are going to follow this rule of exponent. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. So any number raised to 0 always equal to 1. So x raised to 0, that is equal to 1. And then how about y? The exponent is negative. Okay, if a variable or number, its exponent is negative, then you're going to change its position. Okay, so since y raised to negative 9 is in the numerator, we're going to move it in the denominator to remove its negative sign. Okay, so this will become divided by y raised to the 9 power. Okay, so we're going to multiply 8 times 1 in numerator, that is equal to 8 over y raised to the 9th power. So mean to say, the simplified form of this expression is equal to 8 over y raised to the 9th power. Okay, so how about this exponential expression number 2? 2x raised to negative 2, y raised to negative 3, divided by 6x raised to 0, y raised to negative 2. So in this case, we have no close and open parentheses, but we have negative and 0 exponent. We are going to simplify that one. So again, the exponential expression is in simplified form if there is no negative and 0 exponent. And also, the variable appear once. Okay? So we have 2x here and 2y. We're going to simplify this one. So how? First, we're going to separate the numerical coefficient 2 over 6. So this will become 2 over 6. And then, we're going to simplify x raised to negative 2 divided by x raised to 0. If we have the same variable in the numerator and denominator, all you have to do is you're going to subtract the exponent. So we have this one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So the same base, a, then all you have to do is subtract the exponent. So a raised to m minus n. Okay? So here, we have x raised to 0, x raised to negative 2, and x raised to 0. So for x, we are going to subtract negative 2 by 0. So negative 2 minus 0. And then for y, we have y, numerator and denominator. So we are going to subtract the exponents, negative 3 minus negative 2. Okay, so now we are going to simplify 2 divided by 6 cannot be divided, but you can reduce this one to lowest term. Okay, so you need to reduce 2 over 6 in lowest term will become 1/3. Okay, for x, we have 2 or negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. And then for y, negative 3 minus negative 2. What's the answer? That will become negative 1. So how come? If we have two signs here, negative, negative, or minus negative, this will become positive. Okay? So this will become negative 3 plus 2, that is equal to negative 1. So again, we have negative exponents here. To simplify, we are going to remove those negative exponents. So how? Okay, again, follow the negative rule of exponents. So if the sign is negative, you bring it in the denominator if that is numerator to remove its negative sign. So negative x raised to negative 2 and y raised to negative 1 is in the numerator. We are going to bring it in the denominator, just like this one. So 1/3. Then x raised to negative 2, bring it here in the denominator. It will become x raised to the second power. So if you bring it down, then remove the negative exponents. Okay? And then this one, y raised to negative 1 will become y raised to the first power. Okay? So this will become 1 over 3x squared and y. So that is the simplified form of this exponential expression. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click like and then subscribe if you are not done yet.